Welcome back to Bodycam Originals. An officer conducting patrol stopped a driver after discovering the registered owner of the vehicle had an expired license. What began as a routine traffic stop quickly became more complicated when the driver repeatedly refused to provide identification and follow basic instructions.
Proof of insurance, please. I'm sorry? There's nothing wrong with your tag. May I see your driver's license, registration, and proof of insurance, please? I need to see your driver's license, registration, and proof of insurance. This is a traffic stop. I need you to identify yourself. Yes, ma'am, it is.
I'm sorry, it's because I've been seeing a lot of news on the...
So the reason why I stopped you today is because your license is expired. Let me see your driver's license. Okay. Listen, if you refuse to identify yourself, I will take you to jail for resisting without violence. Either you identify yourself to me right now, or I'm taking you to jail. Okay. I go 4-3. Can I get a 45, please? Turn off your car. Turn off your car. Turn off your car. Turn off your car. If you call somebody to come to this traffic stop, they will also get arrested for impeding on a traffic stop. Don't do this. Do not do this right now. I need to see your ID. The ID is on the back of your phone. I need to see your driver's license.
Sir, I'm a student.
I don't care if you're a student. I need to see your driver's license, please. It's on the back of your phone.
It is, but I
Okay, so I need to see your driver's license now, please.
I can call
Okay.
my lawyer,
All right. Put your hands up here.
No, sir, I have...
Put your hands on the steering wheel.
I have my driver's license.
Okay, put your hands on the steering wheel.
I have my
Put your hands on the steering wheel. I'm going to do everything for you. Hands on the steering wheel.
I haven't done anything
This is
wrong.
the fifth
But
time I
have-
tell you now.
But you have
This is
that.
the fifth time I tell you. Put your hands on your steering wheel or you're going to get dragged out of the car. We can do this a simple way.
Why?
Okay.
What are you doing?
All right.
No, sir, please don't touch me.
Do not do
I'm
this.
just scared. I'm sorry.
I got you. Step out of the car.
I'm just scared.
Step out of the car.
Scared.
Step out of the car. We will pick everything up here in a second. Put your hands behind your back.
Can I call my lawyer, please, sir?
Put
I
your
just
hands
have a
put your
baby.
hands behind your back,
I just
please.
have a baby. I don't have anything wrong
Can
with
you
my
put your
tag.
hands behind your back?
I can't.
Ma'am, you're making this a lot more difficult than it needs to be.
No, I don't want to make it difficult. I'm just
Well, you're
scared.
making it difficult.
I'm just scared.
I got it.
Can you please pick up my documentation?
Yep.
I haven't done anything wrong, sir.
I got you. So go
I
right
haven't done anything wrong.
Right
I'm
here.
a student.
here. I got you.
I have a baby. Sir, I'm sorry. I have my kid.
Okay. So this is a learner's license, first of all.
Okay.
Okay, that's not a driver's license.
Okay.
Second of all, it's expired. Okay, it expired on May 11th, 2025. Okay. When I asked you for identification, okay,
Okay.
so here
I was
we're
just
gonna
scared.
do this a little easier. We're gonna do this easier.
Okay.
I'm gonna ask you these questions. I need you to say yes or no verbally if you understand them. All right?
Mm-hmm.
Stay against the car. You have the right to remain silent. Do you understand?
I do, sir.
Okay. Anything you say may be used against you in court. Do you understand?
I do, sir.
Okay. You have the right to talk to a lawyer before and during questioning. Do you understand?
I do, sir.
Okay. If you cannot afford a lawyer and want one, one will be provided for you before questioning without charge. Do you understand?
I do, and I have a lawyer.
Okay. Has anyone threatened you or promised you anything to get to talk to me?
You don't let me talk.
I'm gonna
okay.
say this one more time. Has anyone threatened you or promised you anything to get to talk to me?
Yes, I feel threatened by you.
Okay, so have I threatened you to get to talk to me?
Yes.
I have.
feel
How did I
intimidated.
how did I
I
threaten you?
I just feel intimidated because
How did I
haven't
threaten
done
you?
anything wrong. I
Okay.
don't want to piss you off. I respect
You're not
you.
pissing me off.
Yeah.
I'm not mad at all.
But I don't feel like you had a reason to stop me.
So the reason why I stopped you is because the registered owner of the vehicle is expired. I confirmed. So
27. Can you here? And then you hadn't seen my driver license yet.
5/11/2025.
Yeah,
You are the registered. You are the registered owner of the vehicle.
Yes.
Okay?
Okay.
I confirmed your identity through the window. I could see you. You match your
Oh,
photo.
okay.
And for that reason, you're going to jail for resisting without violence. Okay?
Sir, I'm sorry. I didn't want to resist you.
Do that.
I was just scared. You just wanted a reason
Echo
to do
4-3.
something.
Can I get a female 45 for a search, please?
Sir, you shouldn't be doing this.
Face right here.
Sir. Yes,
Face
yes,
right here,
yes,
please.
face, but I'm scared.
Face the inside, please.
I am feeling humiliated by you guys. I haven't
No,
done
yeah,
anything
we'll
wrong,
probably
sir.
get it off the road. It's off the road, so.
Sir, I have a baby here. I'm so sorry. I don't feel like I should have paid more attention.
I already explained to you. I asked you for your driver's license and proof of insurance at least 7 times. You didn't want to provide it.
No, it's not.
I told you to put your hands on the steering wheel. You didn't do that either. I asked you 7 times. Okay?
I apologize.
And I will review everything so I get the correct count that I did everything.
Yes, okay.
Your license is expired. You don't even have a driver's license. You have a learner's license. This is a learner's license. Let me read you the back. Just listen to what I have to say. Okay? Daylight driving only after 3 months. You may drive until 10 p.m. with a 21-year-old licensed driver in the closest seat of the driver. So you don't have anybody over the age of 21 inside of the vehicle. Okay? And there's no one sitting next to you with a valid driver's license. So not only are you with an expired learner's license, you're also committing a learner's license violation.
I'm sorry. I should have paid attention better on that.
Yes, you should have.
Yes.
And all you had to do was listen to instructions, and you wouldn't have been in this situation.
Okay, I apologize. Yes.
Face the
fault.
car.
I apologize.
Face the car, please.
I wish I had done more orientation.
Please face the car. Do not turn back.
Says you wanted to keep the car there.
We'll keep the car there. It's off the road.
Can you please take my ID? I don't want to be talking much, but can you please?
Your ID is coming with me.
My passport is on
Your
the
passport
floor.
will come with me as well. Yes.
Okay.
The Fonseca, do you mind grabbing her passport and phone, please? Is there anything else that you want to come with you at the jail?
No, just someone. I don't know if I can ask, but my baby is waiting for me. Can someone make a call or something?
Yes, we'll make a phone call. Where's your baby waiting for you?
It's in the daycare. She has asthma, so I was just going around because I need to drop off her pump.
Uh-huh. Who do you need to
I
call?
really apologize.
I got you. You're already under arrest.
It's okay.
Okay.
I know I'm wrong. I apologize.
Okay. So give us a second. She's gonna search you. We'll do this when we get to the jail.
Do you have any drugs or any needles or anything on you that would poke me?
No, I'm just a nursing student here. No,
Okay.
I do not.
It's just a question that is generally
Okay.
asked for everyone before I start patting you down.
So spread your feet for me, please.
I really apologize, sir. I always respect for your profession.
I understand.
I really apologize. I
I
just
got
got
you.
scared.
It's okay.
And I wish I was better oriented because I have the right driver license.
Okay. Just so you know, my instructions were very clear, and I'm not here to confuse anybody.
I know. You were
And
not
for you
doing
not
anything.
following the instructions,
I
that's
am
why.
wrong.
This
I
is
am
what
wrong.
happens.
Alright, I've patted you down. Is there anything that I may have missed? Because when you go inside the jail, you do go through a scanner, and if there's anything that's on you, can be charged again for contraband.
Can I ask you something? Is that gonna be on my records?
Yes.
Is that going to be on my records that I went to jail?
Yes. This is just a charge. It's not a conviction. So you'll still be able to go to court, talk to everything, and you go from there.
I just want to make sure that I still get through interviews because I'm
Yep.
applying for jobs.
You'll be fine. Listen, this isn't anything personal, okay? In the scope of my job, if you refuse to identify yourself, especially after multiple times of me asking you for your license, and you went to pull it out and then you stopped, that's resisting without violence, ma'am.
I apologize. It's just that I didn't think I had anything wrong, so I was just
And I-
not understanding what was
And I was trying to explain it to you, but you kept trying to talk over me and not listen to what I was trying to tell you.
okay.
I do this whole nice little spiel where I ask for your license, registration, proof of insurance. I tell you what happened and what went wrong, and then we would have gone from there.
Okay.
You refusing to do that, now we're here.
It's okay. I apologize.
It's okay.
My action wasn't the best. I was just scared.
Yep.
The encounter ended with the driver being taken into custody and charged with resisting an officer without violence. During the stop, officers also discovered she was driving with an expired learner's permit and without the required licensed adult in the vehicle. After the arrest, the driver acknowledged her mistakes and apologized several times as officers explained the charges she was facing.